Let me show you all of the gestures and motions on POCO X7 Pro. So first of all, we need to open a settings on our device, then scroll all the way down and enter additional settings. Inside we'll find the gesture shortcuts, and the first option is to launch your digital assistant by holding a power button. You can activate it and then hold that power button to call out your Google Assistant. Next is take a screenshot, and there's two options. First one is slide 3 fingers from top of the screen to capture a screenshot, and the second one is to press on the power button and volume down button together at the same time to also capture that screenshot. Next one is a partial screenshot, and here you will need to touch your 3 fingers to the screen, and then you can select the area of that screenshot. Next, we have launch camera, and there's also two functions, but we'll be able to replace the second one with the future gesture, so I will show you that in a moment. Now let's activate them both. So if we double press power button, it should transfer us directly to the camera, and if we double press volume down button when our phone screen is locked, it will also open that camera. Next is the turn on torch. And here we need to double press power button, which I mentioned previously, so it will replace it with our camera quick launch. And now if we double click on the power button, it will activate the flashlight, as you can see right here. And when we double click again, it's off. And that is basically everything.